What's up, YouTube? It's your girl Meg, and I am back with another Mukbang. Alright, so today you're probably looking at this box like, what is this box? What's in this box? This is a Zaxby's grilled chicken Cobb salad. Now, first thing I want to know is, why in the good hell is Zaxby's putting their salads in a cardboard box? Where is the plastic, box? Where's the plastic box? I don't understand. But it still look good. So, go ahead and show y'all what we're working with. Ooh, go ahead and get a thumbnail. Alright. And I also got some fried pickles on the side. They good and fresh too. I'm gonna go ahead and bust one of them after we get our prayer. Lord, thank you for this food that I'm about to receive for the nourishment of my body. I pray that I receive it in the Lord Jesus Christ. Amen. And I got some water. Y'all, make sure you drink your water. This is really important. Like, people really be out here not drinking no water. No, drink your water. For real, for real. I'm gonna go ahead and bust open one of these good old fried pickles. Try you some, try you some. Oh, wait. Oh, wait. I always get my Cobb salad with light ranch. Try to be as healthy as possible. I know the fried pickles probably throw that off, but you gotta have a little balance somewhere. Try one more. One more. Jesus Christ. Alright. So, I got some pretty good news. Let me start from the beginning, I guess. So, I've been had this channel for a minute, over a year. About a year and a half, 2 years. And I was consistent for about a year or so. And in September of 2020, I posted my last video. And not because I didn't want to do it anymore. I just had stopped. You know how you just stop doing something, you just don't know why, you just stop. But in reality, July of 2020, I had started a business. Something that kind of just fell in my lap and just kind of happened. Don't know how it happened, why it happened. It just did, you know what I mean? Nothing I prayed for, but it just happened. Sometimes you gotta just follow God. And I started a business called It's Meg Design. It's a graphic design company. You know, design logos, flyers, business cards, whatever you need, I got it. So I was doing that, and then July 2020, I started doing it full time. And I didn't quit my job. I resigned from my job and just was doing it full time. And it's crazy because God just totally blew my mind. Like I said, it's nothing that I just thought I would be doing. Like, it fell in my lap. You know what I mean? Just totally fell in my lap. So I was doing it full time, and it was blessing me. I got opportunity after opportunity to design some stuff for some companies around the city, local businesses, people, you know, with some status on them. I mean, just different people I've been having to do work for. And my business has grown exponentially since I started it last year. Let me show you this food. Now that we got a little razzle dazzle on that. Ooh, look at that, look at that. One more fried pickle before I dive into the salad though. But yeah, my business has been growing. It mentioned out so much. I've been able to take care of myself with no problem, no help. Just been really doing good. So fast forward to, I would say like March. I started watching this channel called Get Lit with Mo. It was in one of my recommendeds. I started watching. I watched a mukbang of hers, and just kind of drew me in. Just kind of like just real relatable and real funny as hell. And I was just watching them, whatever, like I normally do with anybody else's channel. So watching her channel became, it's pretty much one of my favorite channels, my top channels on YouTube now. So watching, months go by. Fast forward to this month. Well, actually, fast forward to last month. They did a flyer where they said they were gonna do a meet and greet for Mimi. Mimi is Mo's girlfriend, and they're gonna do a meet and greet / birthday bash for Mimi in Houston in September, right? I was going, that's cool, I want to go to that. So I bought tickets, whatever, went, not went, but bought tickets and, ready to go because I really want to meet them, and it's cool, little getaway trip because I ain't been nowhere in a minute, so why not? So to rewind for a minute, one night, it was like 1 o'clock in the morning, and Mo was live, and she was going live with her subscribers on YouTube, and I ended up getting on, and we was talking, chatting it up. I told her about my business, and she was like, yeah man, I've been looking for somebody to do some work for me. So she followed me on my personal page and my business page. So she would hit me up if she ever needed me, and my work was good, all that, right? So when I seen them post the first flyer for the meet and greet, I really didn't think anything of it. Just like, oh, they're gonna have so there. I'm just liking it, loving it, what I normally do. As I kept posting it, I was like, this will be a good opportunity for me to just put myself out there, network, and get that business. You know what I mean? So what I did was I created a flyer. Not saying that anything was wrong with theirs, but just a more professional business, party flyer, whatever the case is, and kind of surprise Mo with it. And I put it in her inbox. Some hours later, she was like, bruh, you snapped. And I was like, I was like happy. I was like, appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. This is big for me, at this point, This is big for me at this point. I'm like, I appreciate it, So I was sending it to her, whatever. And I was like, anytime you need me, just hit me up. So she was like, man, bet that. She was like, I think I'm gonna need you because we're gonna add some more people to the lineup. And I was like, man, just hit me up, let me know. And this was like maybe a week ago, 2 weeks ago, maybe. I'm not sure how long ago, but it wasn't that long ago. So this salad is busting. I think they use Greek seasoning on this salad. Y'all get a bite. I didn't get y'all no salad. Hold on. Let me get you a salad with everything on there. Here, get some salad. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, wait. I know how Greek seasoning tastes. I taste it. But anyway, she let me know she was gonna need me for another flyer, to add some more people to the lineup. I was like, whatever you got, whatever you need, I got you. So, you know, got that in the bag. Did the flyer for her. She promoted it, shouted me out. You know what I'm saying? It's just it's a good look for me to be able to network and put myself out there, because I'm big on that. Like, sometimes people ain't waiting on you. No, I said it backwards. I said sometimes people are waiting on you and not necessarily you waiting on them. Sometimes you gotta make that first step and put yourself out there, because if not, you may miss a whole lot of opportunities, you know what I mean? So that's what I did. And I'm grateful because, you know, Mo has over 120 subscribers. I done watched her growth happen so fast. When I joined her channel, she probably was at like 60-something K. That's a big jump in months' time. But you know, she got all the subscribers. Her girlfriend got like, I think 15K, but pretty much in total, all the people on there got like over 1 million subscribers combined. And to be able to do work for somebody and then, you know, publicize your work to that many people, and then be able to be in the room with them, you know what I'm saying, be in there with them and actually be able to connect and network. It's a big opportunity, man. It's a big deal for me, especially for me being a big business stuck in a big small space. It's just like, that's big for me. It's so big for me. And I'm very excited for myself and happy for me, because it's like things are happening quick, and I need those blessings, man. Now, y'all know how happy I am to be able to showcase my skills like that, you know? It means a lot to me. I'll tore this salad up. You want some more? Okay, y'all some more. Focus. Would you focus on? You go. There you go. Yeah, so September 25th, I will be in Houston, Texas. At the meet and greet, we're gonna have Roster Swisher turning 27, Get Lit with Mo the GOAT, Danae and Leo, Crazy Adventures, Royalties in Candyland. You're gonna have Cuzzo AB, Bank So Famous, who else gonna be there? D Lowry, man, just Charlie Mack, bro. This is gonna be crazy, bro. Well, these are people that I watch on YouTube and watch they hustle, watch they grind, and how they getting it, and like, to be able to do some work and meet them. It's a blessing. And I don't take it lightly. God is really good. And I want to make sure that he knows that at all times. For real. Because without him, we ain't nothing. I think you something, but you're not. But But I just wanted to share that good news with y'all. This salad bustle. These pickles bustle. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. But I hope y'all day was going good today. My day has been swell, I must say. Alright, let's tell they busting, bro. You know something's crazy? I don't like salad that's super fresh. Like a salad that's super crunchy and like it's just so like too fresh. I don't like it. And I don't like iceberg lettuce. I'll eat it if I have to, but ain't my first choice at all. Iceberg lettuce literally in number water. It's just straight water. So but thank y'all for people who are watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for staying subscribed. If you are new to the channel, hit the like button. Leave me a comment. Also subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend, tell your mama, your daddy, your brother, sister, cousin, auntie, uncle to come join the mob. That's y'all new name. But I'll let that be a whole new video. And also make sure you hit that bell. So when I do post videos, y'all know. Hit that bell so y'all will know when the videos drop. You did. Alright, I'm almost done. Got a corner of salad left, 2 pickles left, some water. It was good. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. I'm full. Now it's time to chill and watch YouTube. I'll catch y'all the next one. Your girl Meg.